Hello, welcome back to another video with Math Mentor. Today we'll be learning the mean absolute deviation. So first we'll learn the meaning. So the mean absolute deviation is the mean absolute deviation of a data set, is the average distance between each data point and the mean. It gives us an idea about the variability in a data set. So if you see MAD, which is a short form for the mean absolute deviation, by taking the first letter of each word. Pretty easy actually. So now how to find the mean absolute deviation. So the first step is to finding the mean absolute deviation is to find the mean of the certain numbers. So they'll give you like 5, for example, like a number 5, 3, 9. First, of course, order it, then you just find the mean of the numbers. So as you know, the mean absolute deviation, you can start with the mean. Next, the second step, to find absolute values, the differences between the numbers. So you could find the absolute value of the numbers. So the mean, absolute. So the first step is to find the mean. Second step, the absolute value of the differences of the numbers. An example, so you're going to have the mean, after you find the mean, minus one of the numbers. Like you could take a 5 from here. You just take 5 and put it as a number in the absolute value. So it always stays positive. So the third step is to find the mean of the numbers from the second step. So after we have the mean minus the number, let's just say it was 2. So we're going to have 2. So we're going to find the mean of the numbers from the second step. So we're going to have, for example, 2 plus 9. So we're just going to find the mean of this, and that will be the end of the steps. So now here's an example. So the question says, find the mean absolute deviation of these numbers. 2, 2, 3, 4, and 14. So as we said, the first step to find the mean. So an easy step to remember, as you know the mean absolute deviation, just take the mean out of it. So the mean is 5. The next we'll find the absolute value of the differences between the numbers. So if you didn't understand here, I'm pretty sure this will make it more better. So you're going to have 5, as you know, is the mean. And you know the numbers are all here. So we're going to have 5 subtracted by 2. Then we're going to have 5 subtracted by 2, then by 3, then by 4. But in absolute value, so the number always comes out positive. So the next step is we find the mean of these numbers, which is 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9, which is going to turn out to be 3.6. So we're going to have a mean absolute deviation of 3.6. So now let's test ourselves. Pause the video, try to answer the question, see if you know it or not, I guess. So now let's find the mean absolute deviation of these numbers. 2, 5, 7, 10, 16. And don't forget, if these are not in the right order, just put them in order first from the least to greatest, and then start solving. So first we find the mean, which is adding these numbers all, the sum of these numbers divided by the amount of the numbers. So we're going to have 40 divided by 5, which is 8. Next, we'll find the absolute value of the differences between the numbers. So as we have, we use 8 minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 minus 10 minus 16, which will turn out to be 63128. And then we'll find the mean of these numbers, which is our third and last step, which is 4. So now thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Have any questions, don't forget to put in the comments. If you have anything, just write in the comments, I guess. So thank you and have a nice day.